to be on the Wisconsin side here, so let me get zoomed in here, and this is going to be looks like just east of Redmond. So we've been talking about this all morning. It seems some not just kind of main road is what we're looking at here. So that radar is most likely showing rotation. Let me see if I can see that from the full surface here. But we're going to continue to cover this. This is likely a radar indicated tornado, but still you need to take shelter if you're down there in Pierce County, Wisconsin. It looks like it also includes Trempealeau, Wisconsin as well. So tornado warning, central Putnam County, Wisconsin, and Pierce County, Wisconsin. Radar indication rotation, and that is 10 miles east of Red Wing, or near Frontenac, but on the Wisconsin side. And this is moving away from Minnesota. So this is moving away from the area, but this is a tornado warning until crawling that and watching it. But I can tell you, the immediate Twin Cities, no threat for severe weather now the rest of the morning in the immediate Twin Cities, 7-county area.